Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. Oh, such good stuff this week. Let's go ahead and not waste any time and get into it. First things first is the mystery reveal will be up on Wednesday, so definitely stay tuned for that. Let's go through, what should I go through first? So let's go through the bundle first. I've been doing these like D-stash bundles, and this is like a new little combo. So this is an example of what you could get, but I'll tell you the like general like theme. So basically this one is going to be 2 Misfit mini kits. So this is the example here. These are the 2 in it. It could be from like any mini kit from the ones where the glitter headers were included, I believe. Let me double check. Let me flip through this. So here's your full boxes. Yeah, the glitter headers are included. So it could be mystery, could be holiday, could be a regular, just anytime kit, could be themed. It's a Misfit though. So you have 2 Misfit minis. And then there is 2 of the old style matte foil bundles. So this one has the marble silver and the glossy gold. 2 of the old format clear foil bundles. This is Lavender Hollow Stars, and this is the peachy confetti. So this one has like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus pages. There are some that have 3 if they're mystery. Some of them have 6. It just depends. And then there's gonna be 2 vinyls. So this one has the Pride vinyl, and then the like Mickey balloon, and then there's gonna be 2 washi rolls. So for this whole bundle, it's gonna be $14.95. And again, you'll get 2 random Misfit minis, 2 random matte foil bundles, the old version, 2 random clear foil bundles, that's referring to the paper, and then the 2 vinyls and 2 washies. I'll have all of the information for it on the listing, but they are pretty limited. So again, those will be $14.95 and available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then we have a color of the week, which is a really pretty taupe color. I thought this would go good kind of going into the fall months with kits. I feel like that's kind of where everyone's heading. It has the normal 10 sheets, and there will be the buy all that has a slight discount on it. This one is going to be just very, very usable with so many different kits because it is like a more neutral color. Then for the characters for this week, we do have Luigi, and Luigi is number 004. I have so many cute characters coming, y'all. You don't even know. They're so adorable. And then the characters 1 through 6, which do have names now. Those are on the website just for like easier findings. This is number 1, which is 004, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute. I'm obsessed with these, and I love the sizing. Then moving on to the foil bundle, which it's so pretty. And I already have like 3 kits that I want to use this with because it's just everything. I will first be using it with the Captain Jack kit because y'all will see on Friday I'm doing like a kit lineup edit because I changed so many things for my June, July lineup that I was like, I have enough content here to like give y'all a video about my like changes. So this is the bundle that I'm referring to in that video that's coming out, and it is so beautiful. So this also did come out, this the shimmer. It came out initially in the gold champagne lights mixed metal, and this is the same, but it is a matte bronze, matte silver, and it's just so beautiful. I'm obsessed. That one sold so well. I do think the gold and champagne lights one probably will be a foil bundle that is not available like for too much longer. You have the patterned bougie boxes, the new updated, so you have the icons, and then the updated scripts. And then you have the bottom washi. It's just so pretty with the mixed metal, the fancy headers, the deco, and the date numbers. But I'm obsessed, and I already plan to use this with so many kits, especially moving into fall, winter. I just think that this is going to be such a vibe. But that will be on special pricing from Wednesday to Monday as normal. And then there is also a matte label sampler. There is the matte bronze. You can get that in the special edition foil listing. If you want to pick that up, it's still in the shop and available. But I thought since, you know, that's available, I should do a matte silver version. So that will also be in the listing if you want to pick this up. So matte silver. And this is on the new matte paper that has the like clear back, but it still writes the same as the old one. It's the same paper, it's just a different backing. So love that. Then let's get down to the kits this week. I'm going to save the new art for last, but I do have two. Actually, all of these are exclusive art, but I have two reformats that are fall themed, and they're both July mysteries. This one is the 2020. Was it 2020? Mystery 2021? Yeah. I think this is the 2020 July. That sounds right. Mystery, and it was so requested to come back, and I love it. It's so pretty, and I'm like, do I use this again? What foil do I use with it? I feel like matte bronze would be so pretty. I feel like a champagne lights if you want to like brighten it up. I feel like you could do copper. You could do like pumpkin from Planet Hannah. There's just so many options, or like a navy or a olive or a brown. Oh, there's just a red, a sparkly red. That would be so nice. So here are the full boxes. Then you have the extra full boxes here. The glitter headers, movie marquees. You have the deco page, the half box page, little things, the solid and pattern labels, and then you have the bottom washi, which I went so back and forth with this. So normally whenever I do the split, I put the pattern in that I like, and then I will change this washi strip to all 4 colors to see which one I liked best. But I liked the navy the best, but then I thought the navy kind of was too alike to this, so I changed it to the black because there is a lot of black accents in this kit. So I thought that that would be really, really pretty, and I love the puppy with the little pumpkin here as the extra box. The freebie in both the mini and ultimate kit is the tall scene, which is like probably one of my favorite scenes ever, if I'm being honest. And then let's go through the add-on options. You have the functional, oh, this is called In the Woods. I literally also went through like so many name options that I'm like, I already have a kit and shop of that. Like general autumn, like names. I was like, what am I going to do? So I thought Into the Woods, it's kind of like spookier, like moodier fall, so I thought that kind of works. So you can add on the functional, the ombre hair checklist, label. There's label 2 with this like olive green color, so beautiful. Doodles, and then there is fam options, which has the tall box, this box here, and then also the like person holding the leaf. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute. I just love this kit. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be used this year. My fall/Halloween area doesn't have a lot of weeks open, but I really want to make that happen. Speaking of reformats, this is last year's July mystery, and this I called Fall Cottage, which is what the monthly was named. So let's go ahead into this one. All of the kits this week come in mini and ultimate. So pretty. This one I kept the full boxes basically the same. The other one I did like completely change the boxes because it is quite old, but this one just came out last year, so pretty. I love the little fox. And then I also made this. Before it was just the tall box, but I kind of thought like maybe you might like this better, and putting a quote over this would be really cute. Half boxes, little things, labels, pattern labels, and then you have the 15mm strip. I thought this looked so cool with like a light ombre of this orange color on the bottom, just to give it a little like almost like a sun kiss, but like a fall kissed moment. You have the feet chilling here, and I love the boots. And then like the mystery, you have the tall box option for the little doggy back of the truck box. Then as far as add-ons go for this one, we have fam for this one too, don't we? We do. So for this one, there is the doodle add-on. There is the functional ombre, the label 2 that has the navy, and then there is fam options. So you have not, you will. No, this is coming up like very soon. So this is actually a recolor from a future kit, but this is the fam option. So you have the tall box as well as this one here. And then you have this little fam option that has the, like just the back of the heads, which I thought was really cute. So fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so cute, and 6. Oh, and then there's also, this will be the fashion option, which just has like the feet and the pumpkins, which are adorable. And I love all of the different colored pumpkins next to them. I just think it's a cute little added touch. Great if you want to extend this between like the fam, the fashion, and then all the boxes in the kit. There's so much. So that again is Fall Cottage. That was last year. This one would look great I think this would look great with the foil bundle that's coming out this week, the matte bronze, matte silver, but I think this would also look great with copper, like a pumpkin color, an olive color, a red, gold, or silver, or rose. It's one of those ones I think you could go a lot of different ways with the foil pairings, and there's really no wrong answer. So that is the second kit coming this week. And then the last kit I'm so excited about. This is probably one of like the top requests that I get for like custom themes, and I don't know if I've seen anyone do it, but I knew I needed to. It was the time. It's not something that I don't know if I'm going to use it personally, maybe in January, but yeah, Bella. It is a Twilight themed kit. I was a fan of Twilight back in the day. I don't know if I could reread it now or rewatch it, like maybe, but it is like, I think just kind of like a pop culture moment. So I feel like it needed to be done. Like I said, I always get requests for it. So I did kind of like I did for like Wild Thornberries. And then there's a bunch of kits coming out, like pop culture kits that have like a lot of characters. Again, more that have been very highly requested. So I'm very excited about it. But this was super easy because like there's just so many iconic main characters. And yeah, so you have the like Cullen house, and then you have the characters here. It's just like Edward, come on. It's all perfect. I love it, and it's just gonna be such a vibe. As far as foils go, this is another one that would look really pretty with this one as well. If you have a matte silver, I feel like regular silver would be pretty, or if you wanted to pop, you could do a gold, or maybe even a black foil bundle would be pretty, a brown, something along the lines of that. There's a little gold accent here, so I think it could all be pulled together. You have the deco page, the extra boxes. You're probably like, where's Jacob? He's right here. I don't remember the dad's name. Is it like Charlie or something? He's in there as well because I feel like he's kind of like always a funny guy in the movies. So I hope that y'all love this, but it's been so requested. Jess did the papers for these, and then I thought this would be perfect for a quote box. It's just beautiful. Let me know what foil you'd use with this because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I kind of want to use it because, like I said, I did love Twilight back in the day. And I think I would just stick to a classic silver. In the Ultimate and the Mini, you do get extra boxes. What would you call this? Like whenever it's like not in the movie but has to do with the movie, because I was doing my Goonies kit spread. And I was like, oh, talking about this. It'll be up probably next week. And I was like, it's not a part of the movie, so I kind of want to hide it. But it's like the real world versus like in the movie. Does that make sense? So that's what these boxes are. So you have like the box set of the books, and then you have one of the books here with an apple and like the petals and like a little cup of tea. Thought that was just cute. Like maybe if you're marking rereading them or something like that. Super, super adorable. And I just love everything. And Jacob. Well, also, were you Team Jacob or Team Edward? Which I feel like towards the end, I feel like you just had to be Team Edward because Jacob just kind of got a little strange. So that is the new art for this week, and it is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else, and I'm very obsessed with it. I think it turned out beautiful, like even better than I thought it would. Like I was like, it's Twilight, like, but then when I saw the art, I was like, oh my god, this is like actually perfect. So functional if you want to add it on. There is the doodle if you want to add it on. There's the ombre, there is the label, and then also the extra color if you want to add it on, which is like the brown color. It's just so pretty. I feel like it even has like the coloring of like the movie, which is so fun. But yeah, that is everything for this week. So again, we have the new exclusive art Bella, and then the two mystery reformats, which are also exclusive art. So we have Fall Cottage. We have Into the Woods, which like I said was highly requested to be reformatted. And then we also have the foil bundle this week, which is the matte silver, matte bronze mixed metal of the shimmer. There'll also be the label sampler available for this week only. Then there is the new color of the week, which would look pretty with like all of these kits. The Luigi, which is 004, the new character doodles, and then the limited D-Stash bundle. So let me know if you have any questions down below. Can't wait to hear what y'all think, and I will talk to you in my next video.